back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystem, your ultimate source for all ERP solution. Today, I am talking about another ORM method in Odoo. Okay, this is our school management module, and I am using subject model. Let's go to the Sublime Text Editor. I am discussing about the write method in Odoo. Okay, write method is used to update the record inside the model with the provided value. This method accepts a set of dictionary values and the records is updated with this value. Okay, this is our write method. It's have two parameters, self and vals. Self is an instance of the class, and vals it is a dictionary which contains the values. Okay, let's print the values, and res is res is a variable. It's called the super method. Okay, in which we call the super method called the write method of subject class and pass the vals into write methods parameter. Okay, you can see that subject this is a class of our model, and self is a instance of the class where this method being called. Self is a used to access an instance variable and method within a class. Okay, and return the res statement. Okay, and saving this file and restart the server. Okay. Let's print the areas for testing purpose, and let's change the name of the subject name and go to the server. You can see that values provides the name which we update the value. Okay, and return data of write method is true. It's telling that we successfully update the value in the model. Okay, now I am discussing about the copy method in is used to duplicate the record in the current model and it updated with the default values. Means this method accepts only default parameter, means default argument. Okay, let's try to override the copy method. You can see that api dot returns, it provides the return type of this model, and self should return an object of the same type. And this lambda function provide id of return object. Okay, you can see that copy method have two parameter. One is self and second is default. Default provides the default values. Okay, and self is an instance of this class. This line default, the name is equal to copy. It changes the dictionary by adding a new values. Okay, and res is a one type of variable, and call it's called the super method. In the during the call, the copy method it provides default statement purpose and return the res variable. Return statement provides a model and this record id. Okay, and this line copy it's concatenate the copy with self dot name. Okay, I'm saving this file and restart the server. Okay, I want to duplicate this record. You can see that we can concatenate with copy with English name. Okay, so much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated.